Hi guys, Kyri from Electricus Audio Visual. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're in Hertfordshire where we completed a smart home. I hope you enjoy it. In this home, we have two areas, the pool house and the home. So let's start off with the home. In the home, we have a full Wi-Fi network that is linked to the swimming pool for Wi-Fi coverage. But in the home itself, we have lighting control and window treatments, which was installed by ourselves. And we also have smart heating and cooling, CCTV, and the security alarm. We also have 3 zones of video distribution, one being the family lounge, another one being the master bedroom, and also the cinema. In the cinema, we've installed a 742 system, Dolby Atmos setup. In the family lounge, there wasn't quite space to fit a TV because of physical wall space. So what we decided to do with the client was install a TV lift. Now, because the threshold from the floor to the windowsill was quite low, the builders had actually dug a hole below ground and tanked it, made it waterproof to enable the TV to be recessed down to the floor. So when you looked at this TV screen, it actually looked seamless. So you can't actually tell that there's a TV there until you push the button of Control 4 to bring it out from its position. So now we're in the swimming pool. In here, because of current regulations with electrical installation, we've got underfloor heating. So we actually installed remote air probes because there's no voltage there for these air probes, but they do measure the temperature within the room. So we've isolated the thermostats away so they can't be seen. Still be accessible via the Control 4 interface. Aesthetically, it's a lot cleaner on the wall. So all we have on our walls are just our light switches. Again, our light switches, because of UK regulations, you can't have a 230 volt system there because of the zoning. With the lighting control solution that we've chosen, they are DC 48 volts. So this means that they're compliant and means it's touch free. So if their hands were wet and they touch the light switch, nothing would actually happen to the person using the switch. In here, we discussed with the client and helped them with the lighting design, not just for the swimming pool, but also for the gym area. And in addition to that, we've also installed 2 cameras within the pool. One, because if they've got young children and they're in the pool and they're not meant to be in the pool, they can view the cameras and see if someone is there and if anyone is in danger, so they can monitor them too. So that's our smart home in Hertfordshire. As always, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you're considering a smart home, all our contact details are also in the description, and we hope to see you on the next one.